Maturity is a complex and often misunderstood concept. The development of one's emotions, relationships, and intellect are all aspects of maturity. While age can provide a general framework for assessing maturity, it's essential to recognize that everyone grows and matures at their own pace. It's normal for people to find their maturity levels to be below those of their peers. But have you ever wondered why some people seem more mature than their age suggests, while others lag behind? In this video, we'll look at a few reasons why you might not be as mature as you should be for your age and how this mismatch is a typical aspect of life. The first reason is nature versus nurture. Maturity is influenced by both nature and nurture. While some people have a tendency to maturity from birth, others gain it through life's events. Genetics and childhood experiences play a significant role in shaping our emotional and psychological development. Positive role models and early exposure to responsibilities can accelerate maturity in young individuals. Mature young individuals possess a high degree of emotional intelligence. They are able to successfully understand, control, and relate to their emotions as well as the emotions of others. These individuals take responsibility for their actions and obligations. They are trustworthy, responsible, and able to complete things on their own, and this happened because of a nurturing and supportive family and social environment. Having positive role models or mentors who exhibit maturity can inspire young people to follow a similar path. Second reason is life experience. Life experiences have a profound impact on an individual's maturity. People learn vital lessons, gain useful skills, and gain a deeper awareness of themselves and the world around them as they work through various situations and problems. Interactions with family, friends, colleagues, and romantic partners expose individuals to a range of emotions and teach them how to empathize, communicate effectively, and manage their feelings. Experiences can improve emotional intelligence, particularly ones that include romantic relationships. This emotional growth contributes significantly to maturity. They also provide opportunities to make decisions, both big and small. These decisions have an impact. Therefore, maturing involves learning to consider alternatives, predict consequences, and make thoughtful judgments. People become better decision makers as they gain more experience. Managing finances, handling daily responsibilities, and making life choices independently contribute to maturity. And third is cultural and societal influence. One's perspective is widened by exposure to many cultures, whether through travel, employment, or interpersonal encounters. It often dictates what values are considered important. These values can include materialism, spirituality, individualism, collectivism, and more. Individuals' decisions, objectives, and feeling of maturity are shaped as they embrace these values. Different cultures and societies have varying expectations for major life stages, such as education, career, marriage, and parenthood. These expectations can influence when and how individuals perceive themselves as mature. For example, some cultures emphasize early marriage and family life, while others prioritize career and independence. In some cultures, the extended family is much valued, and children are expected to take care of their elderly parents. In others, independence and self-sufficiency are emphasized. These expectations shape how individuals perceive their maturity in fulfilling these roles. Always remember, being mature is a dynamic and complex quality. There is no one definition that applies to everyone, and it is not simply based on age. Instead, it's a combination of genetics, life experiences, emotional growth, and societal influences. So keep in mind that it's a journey. If you've ever felt like you lack maturity for your age, embrace the opportunities to grow and develop, and don't be too hard on yourself. Thank you for your participation as we investigate why maturity doesn't necessarily correspond to age. Never forget that it's more important to grow up slowly than quickly.